What's up, guys? Um, right now there's a storm in Stanwood, and I'm gonna be chasing it. And on my radar, I checked on my phone. It says it has a 10 to 20% issue rate of a tornado. I don't know what I'm talking about. All I know is the percentage will be good. But yeah, I'm gonna go chase my vehicle. All right, let's go. I'm gonna head eastbound like I mostly do. Storm chasing. Ow. Okay, we have a bit of a problem. We have 3 supercells. One over there, one over here, and one down south. So north, east, south. And I don't know where to go. I could either keep on going east and if I'm lucky, let the north storm come down to me, or head south, or head north directly toward one of the good storm. Huh. You know what? I feel like kind of heading east is probably like northeast. Okay, I'm still on Highway 40 for bicycles, and I think I just saw a funnel cloud form, maybe, or I think I see 2 funnel clouds, one of the northeast portion and one down south. South and like possibly the northeast portion. There is lightning over by Burlington, which is like a couple, like almost 1,000 bike miles away. 1 bike mile equals 1 block, so I don't know how many blocks is from Stanwood to Burlington Camping World. So basically, wait a minute. I kind of see like a white greenish hue. Probably is possibly gonna be 2 northeast and southeast. So I'm heading in the right direction. Okay, I'm stopped at the edge of Prairie City. The south storm doesn't really look good, but this teeny little dark spot is getting me hopes on the east. And the north is having a bigger dark spot. I'm gonna keep on heading east and then try to find a good north way. Alright. You know what? I'm gonna head southeast because the clouds are getting more down. And I could get. Is that a tornado? No. Possibly a forming of a tornado. So I'm just gonna head south and southwest, maybe. Yeah, southwest. And see if I can find this weird tornado. My radar is getting wackier. I checked the radar. It looks like there's a couple. Like double percent 5, but in 1% of 2, 2% a whole area. Of 2 5%, not 25, but just 2 pink blotches, mostly in the northern and southern area. So, hold up, I think I see something. Okay. I see something down that south. Right now, I just entered Ellicksburg View. That island of Mass is part of East Ellicksburg and Ellicksburg with the local berry festival. We might get hit by a... Oh my God, is that a funnel? Don't tell me I just missed that. Do not tell me that's a funnel. Do not tell me. Bro, if that thing is a funnel, I don't know what to say. Okay, I'm recording the southern sky, and I'm not sure if there's a funnel or not. We gotta get going down south. I just realized the southern clouds are heading north. So north are getting a blue hue. So I'm gonna go that way. I gotta cross this massive road, the 532 road, and eventually pop in the tornado zone. Oh no, man. It's either the northwest storm that's really catching my eye, or is it the southeast? I mean, literally. Because I don't know if I were you guys should chase the storm. What the heck was that? Planes are flying above the storm. Okay. Looks like we got a funnel on our south.